Welcome to the Interstate RV guide on installing lithium batteries. In this video, we will walk you through the essential tools and procedures for a safe and efficient lithium battery installation. Before starting, gather these tools: hand tools, wrenches, pliers, sockets, and a wire cutter or crimper. Cables or bus bars to connect multiple batteries, terminal blocks, or an alternative. A wire brush for cleaning the battery tray or area. A rag or vacuum to remove debris from the battery tray or area. Flexible wire loom for covering cables if desired. Zip ties and mounts to secure wires and keep them away from moving parts. Dielectric grease to minimize environmental corrosion on the terminals. And make sure to put on your PPE to stay safe before you begin. We will show you how to install a lithium RV battery. Let's start by looking at where the new battery will be installed. In an RV, the battery is typically located in the storage area, under the steps, or in front, or even under the bed, depending on the manufacturer. Refer to your owner's manual to find the location of your battery. Additionally, be sure to read your Interstate Batteries user manual to understand the specific operating guidelines and specifications for your battery. You can scan the QR code on the battery to locate the user manual. In this RV, the old battery is tucked away in a storage compartment at the front, right behind the propane tanks. First, disconnect the cables from the old battery. If the cables are still in good shape, we can reuse them with your new lithium battery. Next, we'll remove and set the hold-down strap aside. Now, let's get that old battery out of here and save it for recycling. You can drop the battery off at your nearest Interstate dealer. To find the closest one, visit interstatebatteries.com/recycling. Before we install your new lithium battery, we need to clean up the area. Let's clear out any debris and use a wire brush to scrub away any rust or residue that might cause problems with your new battery. A quick spray of rust prevention on any exposed metal will help keep rust at bay. Now it's time to install your brand new Interstate lithium battery. Before we secure the battery with the hold-down strap, let's make sure it is positioned correctly. Now we can tighten the hold-down strap with everything in place. If you have 2 or more batteries, you can connect them in parallel to extend your available capacity. If your RV has a 24-volt power system, you can connect 2 Interstate 12-volt lithium batteries in series, or use one Interstate 24-volt battery. For our setup, we'll hook up the positive and negative cable to the respective terminals. You may have additional cables to connect depending on your onboard charger or inverter setup. Finally, let's test the system. We'll turn on some lights or a fan to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.